Hi, my name is Robin Rodriguez. First, I'd like to say thank you to Sunbelt Title for inviting me to create this video. This is a great opportunity for me to share my story and talk about Coldwell Banker. I'm a native New Yorker who relocated to South Florida just before Hurricane Andrew decided to touch down, so welcome to the Sunshine State. One of the things that drew me to work with Coldwell Banker is their belief and support of the magic of marketing. Sellers who list with me can expect a full suite of exposure through Listing Concierge at no cost to them. Photography is immediately scheduled for up to 64 professional photos. This rolls directly into a targeted marketing program, which includes View Magazine, which delivers into 100,000 homes and retailers, beautifully produced property brochures, just listed postcards, and of course, targeted digital media online. Your home gets its own website. And local TV shows. At Home in Florida is a Coldwell Banker show. It is on Fox, ABC, and YouTube. And then, of course, you're listed on Zillow, Realtor.com, and other real estate sites where hungry buyers look daily. Through our efforts, we will create a sale with the buyer you want, maximizing asking price relative to comps and a smooth transaction for a happy transition. This is what I can bring to you and more. Listing and finding new homes brings my clients and I so much joy. I look forward to hearing from you about your next move. Please call me at 954-465-3576 or text me anytime. Thank you.